Hey there plant lovers, welcome back to Foster and Grow, your go-to channel for everything green and leafy.
Yeah, today we're going to show you some of our favourite indoor plants that have brilliant foliage.
So grab your watering cans and let's get growing. Yeah, so first up we have the Pothos Manjula. And this plant is like the rock star of the plant world because it's easygoing and always ready to steal the show with its variegated leaves.
Yeah, it's so low maintenance it practically waters itself. Well, not really, but you get the idea. So all you need to do with this guy, make sure it's in indirect light and it's basically your best leafy friend. Next, meet the Philodendron Brasil. With its heart-shaped leaves and vibrant green and yellow stripes, it's like having a piece of the Amazon at home.
Yeah, and the best part, it's as easy to care for as remembering to breathe. Just give it a little bit of water, something to climb on, some love, and it will flourish. Now, let's talk about the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is tougher than a $2 steak and can survive in almost any condition.
Yeah, it's the perfect plant for people who forget they own plants. Plus it purifies the air, so it's like having a green air purifier or filter in your home.
Talk about a breath of fresh air.
And if you are interested in the snake plant, we do have a plant care video we'll put up here and also put a link in the description. Moving on to the Philodendron Birkin. This plant is the fashionista of the plant world with its striking white pinstripes.
Yeah, it's like the plant equivalent of a pinstripe suit. Classy and always in style.
Yeah, just give it some bright indirect light and it'll be the star of your collection.
And just remember, as the leaves mature, they will darken, but you can always give your plant a trim to bring those pinstripes back.
So next we have Alocasia elephant ears. So its leaves are so big they could double as umbrellas. This plant is sure to make a statement and it's one we love having as part of our collection.
Yeah, it is a bit of a diva though, so make sure to keep it in a humid environment, but trust me, it's worth the extra effort for those stunning leaves. Now, let's not forget the Ficus elastica or rubber plant. This is like the strong silent type. Tough, resilient, and always looking good.
Yeah, its glossy leaves are a sight to behold, and it's the perfect addition to add elegance to any type of room.
Yeah, just don't overwater it or it might get a little deflated.
Yeah, and we've got several different types here. So we've got a Shiverina, we've got the Ruby, the Tineke, and also the Burgundy. And we'll have some video after this so you can see how beautiful these plants are. So last but not least, we have the Croton. This plant is like a box of crayons exploded in your living room with all of its vibrant red, oranges and yellows.
It's a bit of a drama queen, so make sure it gets plenty of light to keep those colours popping.
Yeah, but once you see it in full colour, you'll know it's worth it. So there you have it, folks. We hope you've enjoyed the 7 amazing indoor plants we've shown you today with amazing foliage. It certainly adds to our houses and yeah, makes them feel like a lush paradise.
Yeah, and let us know what your favourite was in the comments section below. And if you have enjoyed the content today, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so we can keep making plant-tastic content.
Yeah, no, thanks again for watching this far if you're still with us, and we'll have a new video out soon.